We have here 5 minus 7 over 10. There are many different ways on how to subtract fraction from a whole number, but the method that I will show you is the one that I think is the easiest. So this is what you're gonna do. Itong 5 na to, you will borrow 1 from this. So that 1, we will write it in fraction later. Then, since we borrow 1 from 5, ang matitira na lang dyan ay 4. Alright? And then yung 1 na hiniram natin, we will write it into fraction using the denominator of the subtrahend. Since the denominator of the subtrahend is 10, yung fraction na equivalent sa 1 will be 10 over 10. Okay, so etong 10 over 10 equal pa rin siya sa 1. So walang nabago. Kung ang ilalagay natin dito ay 4 and 10 over 10. Again, etong 4 and 10 over 10 is just equivalent to 5. We just separate 4 and 1. And 10 is what we used in this fraction because that is the denominator of the fraction that we need to subtract from this. So, since meron na tayong whole number and fraction on this side, pwede na nating i-minus dito yung 7 over 10. So for your answer, you may just copy the whole number 4 and then subtract the fraction. Since they are already similar, they have the same denominator, you may just subtract their numerator. 10 minus 7, that's 3, over the denominator of 10. We'll just copy the denominator. And that's it. Your answer is 4 and 3 over 10. Let's do that again. So we have 9 minus 11 over 15. Again, the first step is borrow 1 from 9. So 9 will become 8. And then the one that you borrow, we will write that into fraction using the denominator of the subtrahend. So since the denominator is 15, the one that you borrow will become 15 over 15. So 9 will be written as 8 and 15 over 15. Again, this 8 and 15 over 15 is just equivalent to 9. Okay? Then subtract the fraction 11 over 15. Alright. First, copy the whole number 8 and then subtract the numerator. 15 minus 11, that's 4. Then copy the denominator 15. And so your answer is 8 and 4 over 15. If you understand that method, try to answer this one and type in your answer in the comment section below.